Dell Technologies allows our customers to use augmented reality to assist in replacing parts. The Dell AR Assistant gives customers the flexibility to choose how their system hardware issues get resolved. The AR Assistant is an application customers are able to download directly to their smartphone for an assisted, self-service experience. The Assistant walks customers through the parts replacement process using a smartphone. After working with our technical support team, customers will receive information on how to download the app to their smartphone, available on both iOS and Google Play stores. After launching the application, simply choose the system model and the part that needs to be replaced. The app does not require customers to log in and does not store any personal information. The Dell AR Assistant enables customers to view the parts replacement process step by step. This technology allows customers to use any angle as if someone is there assisting them. Once the part is replaced, customers can run Dell diagnostics to confirm their issue is resolved. This technology represents another innovative resource for customers' hardware replacement. For more information on the Dell AR Assistant, contact our technical support team.